Hi guys, this is Jordan here from Durban, South Africa, Uprint SA. I'm going to do a video on our new RIP software. Previously I did a video on how to install it. There was one error in that video I need to correct. I'm just going to take you through it now. Now in your setup page for this RIP software, I first said start off your HASP driver, which is incorrect. When you come into Print Pro, I also said you must install using this link here, which is incorrect. What you do, your first step in installation would be setup. Okay, you're going to double click on that. It will install the RIP software. You've got to have your key, your CD key available from the disk, or from, if it's a upgrade, from your email. Alright, you're going to start off with that. It will then automatically, after it's set that up, it will bring up your HASP driver to install. It will then bring up your Microsoft Visual to install. Now guys, if you want to reinstall your if you want to uninstall your RIP software and then reinstall it, you go through those settings again. Double click on that, go through the uninstallation process, double click on that, go through the uninstallation process, and then uninstall your Microsoft Visual. You must uninstall all three in order for it to reinstall properly the next time. You can't repair anything. Do not click on repair, because it will not work. Alright? Now another important thing, guys, if you did install it like in the original video, I want you to take a look at this. Your environment sometimes doesn't come up. Now I'm going to go to my RIP software, alright, and when you go click print setup and you click on environment here, it only says none. These two OcuLaserJet 920 and C711 will not be here. And that's because of the installation, the way you installed your RIP software. But that's not a train smash. I have a method of getting that back. So you simply click on Manage Environment. You're then going to say Reset Environments. This will reset it to factory defaults, and it should bring up all your environments over here. Once you've done that, you can go back to your print setup. Sorry, you can go back to your print setup, click on your environment list, and then select which one. This will be for A3. C711 will be for the A4 category. Okay, and then you can come into here. This should automatically be here, but you select which printer you're using, and that will get you right. So I'm going to just show you the PDF document just to go through it again. Okay, here's your PDF document. First select print, go to print setup, or you go to manage environment first. You then reset to factory defaults.